Introducing the must-watch anime series of Winter 2024. The anime industry continues to captivate viewers around the world. Fans can look forward to an exciting lineup of new shows. As we enter a new year, several highly anticipated anime series are set to premiere, promising to deliver gripping storylines, breathtaking animation, and memorable characters. One of the standout series to watch out for is Delicious in Dungeon. Based on the popular manga of the same name, this anime follows a group of adventurers who rely on cooking monsters to survive in a dangerous dungeon. With its unique blend of fantasy, comedy, and mouth-watering cuisine, Delicious in Dungeon is sure to leave audiences hungry for more. Another noteworthy series is Metallic Rogue. With its futuristic setting and high-octane action, this fight anime takes viewers on a thrilling ride as they follow the adventures of a rogue android. Combining elements of cyberpunk and meta-genres, Metallic Rogue presents a visually stunning world and delivers an adrenaline-fueled narrative. Fans of the isekai genre can look forward to the highly anticipated adaptation of the webtoon Solo Leveling. This action-packed series centers around leveling up his abilities and facing formidable foes along the way. With its captivating storyline and intense battles, Solo Leveling is set to be an instant hit among anime enthusiasts. In addition to these standout series, there are plenty of other new shows to keep an eye out for in the Winter 2024 season. Whether you're a fan of romance, fantasy, or slice of life, there's something for everyone. From enchanting tales of magical creatures to heartwarming stories of friendship, the winter season promises to provide a diverse range of options for anime lovers. For those eager to catch these premieres, popular streaming platforms such as Crunchyroll, Funimation, and Netflix are expected to be the go-to destinations for accessing these exciting new shows. Whether you prefer to binge-watch an entire series or savor each episode weekly, these platforms offer flexibility to cater to individual viewing preferences. It is evident that the anime industry continues to thrive and excite fans worldwide. With the winter anime season on the horizon, the prospects for 2024 look incredibly promising. So mark your calendars and get ready to immerse yourself in captivating stories, vivid animation, and unforgettable characters when these highly anticipated shows premiere.